Create post cap plate connection. Select this post, then go to the properties. I just increase this level, slightly increased like this. Then I go to the steel, select here beam, then make it here plate or cap plate, then just make it here PL 350 into 20. Material everything keep as it is. I select this class, make it this one plate. We don't want any assembly, just delete that one. Other all the thing keep as it is. Then click the first point, then click the next point. Here it is created plate. Press escape key, select this one, here it is plate. Then just make it here 90, enter. Then make it this one left, then enter. Left is going inside, make it right, then enter. Here it is coming inside. Now you can make this one middle, then enter. Why I given middle means, if you go to the plan view you can see that one. Now double click here, I just make it here 100, here also make it 100, then apply and click OK. Then go to the view, select here new view using 2 points. Now I click the first point, then click the next point, here it is created. Now if you go to the grid A, you can see here this is our location. Once you create any view you will get it this mark for the location. Press escape key, it will gone. Now you can see this is the location. Now we need to create bolt. For that go to the steel, select here bolt, then go to here, make it standard M20, everything keep as it is. Now click the first part, click the next part, press the mouse center button. Now I just click any location. Now I just place it like this, then double click this bolt. I just go to here, change this rotation 90°. Here it is changed. Then I just make it this X direction 200, then give you a space 100, give you a space 100, give you a space, then 200. Then simply enter. You can see here bolt is placed like this. Now I just go to make it here, it is 150, then enter. Now I just go to the view list, select here grid A, then select this plate, then just go here, make it -100, make it here 100, then enter. So you will get it like this extension. Then select this bolt, right click, move, click this location and place it like this 50, enter. So now this connection is finished. Next go to edit, select here fit part end, select this line, click this location, click here, here it is fit this part. Next go to steel, select here weld, click this post, click this plate, here it is created this connection. Now if you go to the inquire and select this assembly object, now this one is completely one assembly. If you need this same connection here, select this full set, then go to view, select here work plane parallel to view plane. Now I just click here, it is placed, then right click, copy special, mirror, click this location, or you can click this any grid center also, grid midpoint, you can click like this and click here, then go to copy, expand, you will get the connection here. So both the place we created this post cap plate connection. Create beam end plate connection. For that, go to application and component, type here end. You will get it here connection 144. You can double click this connection, then go to the picture, make it here 0, make it here -20, then go to the plate, make it here 12 thickness 320, then this is the plate, start number, material A36, name, plate. Other all the thing keep as it is. Then stiffener, we don't want any stiffener, make it 0. Then we don't want to make any changes here, just go to the bolt, select the bolt standard. I just select this standard bolt, M20 bolt, make it tolerance 2, select here middle, here also middle, then make it here 100, make it here 100, make it here 2, 150, make it here 8, then 60. Other all the thing keep as it is. Then modify, apply and click OK. Select the post, select the beam, here it is created the connection. Similar way, select column and select beam, here it is created. Now we created all the connections, everything for this post. Now go to the view, select here work plane parallel to view plane, already here it is set. Then select all the things, then right click, copy special, mirror, click this point and click anywhere else, then go to copy, expand, here it is copied with all the connections, everything. Create side cladding gate, select this purlin, then copy these properties, then go to the steel, select here beam, click this beam, click the first point, then click the next point, here it is created like this, press escape key, select this one, then go to the properties, all the properties keep as it is, make here 90, then enter, here it is placed 90 degree. Now other all the thing keep as it is, then go to the next view, press Ctrl tab, you can go to the next view. If you go here, you can see here what we created. Now select this one, then right click, move special, you can make it mirror, click this point and click here, then move. So now it is located like this. Select this one, right click, move, click this point and place it here. Now you can select this one, then right click, move, special linear, just make it here y direction 530, then move, expand it, you will get it like this. Select this one, right click, move, click this point and place it here. So now this one is perfectly placed, first one. Next select this one, then go here, make change, just go to the 3D view, you can see here very clearly what we created here. Select this one, make it here 0, make it here -475, then modify, we need it here like this, here like this. Then select this one, right click, copy, click this point and place it here, press escape key, select this one, make it here 0, then enter. Now here it is placed perfectly. Then we can create the connection. We will use same purlin connection what we created here. Double click this one, then apply and click OK. Then go to edit, select here component, create current connection, select this column and select this script, and within few seconds this connection will create. Then make it select this one, select this one, select this one, press the mouse center button. Here it is created. What we create the purlin, the same connection, we will use it here also. You can see here it is placed perfectly above this support. Now select these two things, then go to work plane, go to the view, select here work plane, then select work plane tool. Now I just place it here like this. Now you can see here this is X direction, this is Y direction. Press escape key, select these two things, right click, copy special, linear, make it Y direction 1200, quantity 8, then go to copy. You can see here it is copied perfectly this direction. Press escape key, you will get it the connection also perfectly here. Now select these all the things, press Ctrl and you can select like this, right click, copy, or you can use copy special also. Now I just click here, here and here. Now select this script, press Ctrl and you can select this all the thing together. Then go to the properties, change here 475, then enter. You can see here we didn't created any connection. Now just go to double click this connection, apply and OK. Then go to the component, create current connection, select this column, select this one, press center mouse center button. Here it is connected. Select this one, press the mouse center button, select this one, press the mouse center button. Repeat the same. So now this connection is perfectly created. Then select all the things, press Ctrl and select all the things, press Ctrl and select all the things. Now go to here, change name git. So other all the thing capacities, then enter. Now go to the view, select here view list, select this grid A, then go to view, select here work plane parallel to view plane. Now I just click here, next. Already we selected this one, right click, copy special, mirror, click this point and click here, then go to copy. Within few seconds all the things will copy to that side. Here it is copied. If you go to this side you can see all the things copied. Press Ctrl tab, you can go to next view. Here it is copied all the git with connection and all.